See, live tutorials. This expiry trade, 2 minutes time frame. Okay. So in every up move, what we have to do is find out the high volume candle comparing to the previous candle or candles. And this is a high volume red candle. We need to draw the FRVP. And this above any candle close, go for a buy, 70. The stop loss will be 61. From 70, it has gone up to 120. Trending option only you have to take. That means the option which trades above open price. And here the high volume candle resistance I have drawn here 60, and never ever this put option cross this 50. But and this is trading below the open price, so don't touch it. And here is the entry. Okay, so around 70 bought, it has gone up to 141. 140. Then it's a movement. No? Then again, high volume candle we have to find out and draw the support. If it is a green candle, we call it as support. And here lies the support. Again, this is a green candle with increased volume. No? And these supports we have to draw. See, again this candle gone up with increased volume, almost double volume. So this level is very important, 107. 107 once breaks and close, it is very difficult. Correct now? It is hovering here now, waiting for the next move. Likewise, when an increased sell volume comes, we have to draw the resistance. See, 115. From 115, it has gone down to 103 quickly. Correct? And put option, don't look at put option till it breaks. Otherwise, we need a high volume candle. After 11:30, we can do. And this is the profit booking candle. This is also a profit booking candle. See, this is the shorting candle, increased volume. And we have to wait till this resistance comes. 114 shorting, quickly 97, 4 minutes. And this is a high volume candle. Say for example only, we never buy any option trades below open price. See, exactly here it comes, 27. From 27, it moved to 34. 7 points in 2 minutes. This is a big candle, no? So the resistance is important. If this resistance is breaking above with a good volumes, then it is a buy again. Otherwise, it will keep on going down. This level has to break and close with the increased volume. 1.36 million is here. More than this volume, it has to close above this level, above this resistance or above this level. And the overall picture of these red candles, no, we have to draw an volume profile. See, this is this red candle top. So next buy comes comparing all these periods. A candle has to close above 109. Then it is a buy. Now it is with increased volume. See what will happen if it closes above this level. It is good. Just below only closed. Anyway, it may go up. It may retest this 108 sometimes, but the close is not good. This is an increased volume candle now. We have to draw the support. Okay, this is the support. See, it's going down. See, this candle never closed above this. See, the drama, it is going down like anything. Correct? That is the beauty of FRBP. We can do the same thing in 50 minutes chart. This is the 50 minutes chart of this call option. See how it behaved when this put option buy got here at 2 minutes, 27.50, and it has gone up to 44. See this one 15 minutes candle. First 15 minutes candle, how we are doing? Here. Here is the support. But this support never comes. Sometimes slowly it may come here. 50. Again it may be a buy after crossing above with volumes. And next was a sell candle. So we have to, so far as this support is holding, we can take long position here. Okay. Then let us see what is the, here is the resistance. Once this candle close above, we can buy 87 breaking and close. We can draw this line and change it to 2 minutes. You can see some candle with the high volumes in 2 minutes crossed this level. That time it is a buy. See this candle closed above. This is a buy here, 88. 88 we are buying. We got some quick points, no? Around the 50 points we got. That is the way 15 minutes candle is working. When 15 minutes candle, any support or resistance is coming, what we have to do? This is the 15 minutes candle support. Resistance. Exact resistance. This candle closed above that 2 minutes candle with the increased volume. So here it is a buy 87. From 87 to 141. And this type of fluctuation we will get only in expiry trades and not anywhere. See here You have to change it to 15 minutes once again and see. 15 minutes start, we will study. And you got the support resistance here, no? Okay. This resistance here. Then after that, a huge green candle comes. We got some buy around 88 and it has gone up to 138. And draw this support of this green candle. Okay. And this support is so far holding, we can go long after it. Then what is the support of this level? 98. Again, 98, 8 breaking below. And this candle, 15 minutes candle breaks below. And from here it is a short. 104, 105 shorting. It has gone down to 77. And this candle resistance where, see, 118. 118 above is the stop loss. Say 125. Shorted somewhere here. Now 97. 97 shorting, 76 it has gone. Okay, change it to 2 minutes. And this candle has crossed above. And these are all the resistances. The first 15 minutes candle support is here. The same thing we can trade in 5 minutes also. 5 minutes is very good for this. So we can remove all the drawings. Okay. See, let us see the first 5 minutes. Closing and it is going up. Correct? So what we have to do? After 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you trade. No problem. Exactly this support comes, enter it. 53. Within 10 minutes, 100, 110. Likewise, you have to draw the support and resistance of each candle. When it is moving up, green candle or red candle, and these levels are very important in subsequent time span. See, this candle is here. Correct? And this candle is here. Correct? And if some, and this, after this red candle, no, what is the highest volume red candle? This one. Draw the resistance of this line. And above which it is a buy. But this candle support has broken here. And from here it is a buy. Again, 90. From 90 to 140. And all these resistance are very important. And this red candle resistance. See, all the resistance and support are there for this candle with increased volume. So what is the support of this candle? Exactly here. Exactly the next candle came at this support around 88, 89. It is a buy again. See, 140. And this type of a green candle comes, it is like a evening star formation. No? Once this low is broken, it will go down very fast. Candlestick pattern. If it comes bit lower, it is a morning star pattern. And this candle resistance is very important. Yeah. And this is a red candle with the first red candle, 5 minutes after this rally. So we need to draw the resistance of these three candles. And this support below this candle close. Some buying also here. Then what to do? This level go for a short. 109. 109 shorting now trading at 83. Got it? And this way only we have to trade. And this is one important candle. This low will hold. This is a candlestick pattern study. See, we have to draw a line here. Correct? Draw a line here. If this low is breaking, 70 is breaking, then it will go down very fast. Yeah, that is called head and shoulder. This is a shoulder level. And this is the lower range. When this range is breaking, the head and shoulder pattern will collapse and it will go down very fast. Then it will come up to this bigger candle, high volume candle support. See, 52 is the base support for this option. Up to 52, it may come. Likewise, you can see take the high volume candle. This is the first high volume candle. And after that, this one. After that, this one. So the support for all these green candle drop. Whenever this candle support is breaking and closing below, a red candle closes below 37. Don't exit if we have any long position. That is the way of trading. See, in this breakdown, what you have to do is when 3, 4, 5 red candles coming like this, don't buy at a single candle resistance. What we have to do is we have to draw something like this. So next, our buying comes around 100 only. Above 100 only buy will come as per this system. So, and point out the high volume candle. This is the high volume candle, 7.52 million. Correct? So, 7.52 million candle resistance we have to draw. And this is the resistance, 88. 88 above, it is a buy. If any green candle closes above 88 with a good volumes. Otherwise, when this blue line, head and shoulder pattern, lower point, 69 is breaking and closing below, immediately it will go to 52. Below 52, no buying.